guys.
I'll help you, Mommy. Here you go. This is your stuff they have.
I know, I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is like the first subscription I ever had. This is how I built some of my makeup up, was with this subscription. Yeah. And now they're fucking sending you shit products. Like,
your most viewed thing is an Ipsy.
Yeah, that is crazy. That is the most viewed thing. It's a Ipsy on bagging. It's not even like when it was these ones. It was when it was a bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie if you don't know me. Today's video is our Ipsy unboxing. If you guys want to see the items in this box, then just keep watching. Alright, so to start off, I was kind of dreading making this video because I feel like this is one of the things that I started out with makeup. I started when it was just the bags, the $12 one. Well, it was $10 at the time when I started purchasing it, and now it's $12. And I used to get really excited about getting the items and getting all the cool stuff that they would send. And then they added this one and I was really excited, and they were doing really good for a few months, and then they went and added on the Ultimate. Now, I really did like the Ipsy Glam Plus, but I feel like now that they've added the Ultimate, they put the products that are in the Plus at the back end. When we first started getting these, I felt like we were getting eyeshadow palettes and better products. It wasn't even collabs like it is now. Everything I feel like it's a collab, and I'm honestly tired of seeing the collabs. That Betty Boop collab that they had for last month was horrible, at least for my taste. And I don't know, let's just get started here. We'll talk about the products and then I'll talk more about how I feel that this has lost its value. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So you guys know the box looks like this. Now they changed the box the way that it looks, which it looks really cool actually. And then the inside, it says discover yourself, and they changed all of that. I think last month when I did it, it had already changed, so I don't think that there's a difference in that. Or did I do one last month? Oh yeah, I didn't do one last month because I did Halloween, so that's why. But it had already changed to this new packaging, which I'm okay with. There's nothing wrong with it. It looks really pretty actually. But we're gonna start here with the products, and here is the card. And so this month is Wild Side is the theme. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By learning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. I think that for the people that have the Ultimate one, they are not putting the prices on the little cards. Mine does have the prices, which is good because, you know, I want to know and I want you guys to know what the value of these things is. So it says explore your 5 glam bag plus products worth 120 plus, and prepare to swipe on something new and oh so you. Get to know your future favorites. I have to be honest with you guys, I did try these products out already. I've tried some a couple of times, I've tried some just once. The one product that I was actually kind of surprised about, that I actually did like in the box, was this Ilamasqua Hydra Veil Hydrating Gel. It actually feels really nice on the skin, so I really did like this. This is worth $45, and let me go ahead. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty, it's really sleek. It has this cool little spoon thingy, which it's not really necessary to get the product. What I don't like about this thing is it doesn't really work. It comes off, if you go and grab it with your spoon and then try to put it on your face, it just slides off. Every time that I've tried to put it on that way, it slides off the little spoon. So this is worthless to me. I would just go and grab it with my finger, just grab a little bit with my finger and put it on my face, because that's the only way that it'll stick onto my face. This is actually the one product that I did like from this box. Moving on to the next item. This one I tried one time. This is the Gigi Gorgeous collab that came with it, and there was other things that came with this collab. So this is something that I am not impressed with at all. I did not like this. You guys see here, I had to like scratch a little bit off to actually get some payoff out of it, which I was kind of bummed about. The packaging of this feels really cheaply made. I don't know. I'm just disappointed in the whole product itself. I haven't tried any of the other stuff, but this one for me is a no-go. And you guys know that I love my coral shades like this one, and it did not work for me. So that's the second item, and that is worth $24. Let's just pull something else out. This is the Makeup Geek highlighter in Starlight. This is worth $20, and I also did try this out one time. The payoff on it was not as good as I thought it was gonna be. The packaging is really pretty, don't get me wrong. It is really pretty and sleek looking. I do like that. This is like a pink shade. You guys can see that. I'm not into these pink shades. I feel like I did my profile to fit certain things in certain colors, and I'm always getting stuff that don't work for me. So I feel like it's kind of worthless for me to do the customizable test or whatever, because they just send you whatever they want. I feel like they're not sending you items that are actually gonna work for you. This is not the first time that that's happened, so I'm kind of bummed out about that. But it is a pretty highlighter. I'm not saying it's not. It's really pretty. I mean, you can see it, but it's just a color that I wouldn't pull towards too. I really like my golden undertone ones, and some that are like light I like, but a pink highlighter, it's not my thing. And that one is worth $20. I think I already said that. That one I only tried out one time. And let's move on to the next product. This is the Outer Cream Belle and Argent. I don't know, I can't even pronounce the name of this product. This is a lipstick, and it's in the shade Smoking on Screen. It is a $26 value, and this is what it looks like. Now in camera you're like, Leslie, that looks really luxurious, but it's really cheap packaging. It is plastic, and I mean, I don't care that it looks like it. It's not even like, it is a little bit heavy, but it's not, I don't know. It would be cool to display it, and that's, I mean, I can give it to somebody that's actually gonna use it. I do like the shade. Let's see if I can swatch it here on my hand for you guys. But when you look at this lipstick, look at the color there, okay? Look at the color in my hand. It does not match what the color looks like, and this is not the first time either. I mean, this is not the only product. But what I'm saying is, if you're gonna do the whole testing with whatever you like and then whatever they send you, this is not it. This is not it. That's what I'm talking about. Send stuff that you're actually gonna wear, because this is just, what's the point of doing these tests, this personalized test, if they're not gonna send you the stuff that you actually ask for? Yeah, so that's that. This is worth $26. I'm not gonna use this. I'm probably gonna give it away or something. And last but not least is this Ciate London Courtney Act Stamp and Drag Liner. Now the idea behind this is pretty cool. I actually have used this just one time. I used it. I haven't used the other part of it. When I say the other part, you guys will see what I'm talking about. The packaging is pretty cute. It has like little wings here and stuff. I thought that was really cute. And this is what this one looks like. This one is worth $19. And on one side, it has the felt tip liner. I'll show you guys. And on the other side, it has the stamp for you to make the wing. If you guys don't know how to make wings or need a little extra help, this would be a good item for you. You guys can see that. It just would connect it with that. For me, I would probably not use the stamp part, so I would be using this part mostly. I gotta say, I gotta be honest, I do like this one, but just this part. I wish that it didn't have the stamp, because it's kind of a waste of product. Again, it goes with the same thing that I just said, personalization. You put in there stuff that you like and what you want to receive, and yet they're sending you stuff that you're not really into. So to me, it feels like they're pushing you to get the ultimate so that you get these extra products, and you're not even getting good products or stuff that's not repeated from this bag, from this box. I saw some people unbox stuff that we have already received in the past, one of them being this product. I saw somebody unbox this. We already got this in a different box. It feels like they're just trying to get rid of stuff that they've had and sending it out to people that haven't received it yet, which is fine. But say I got another one of these. I mean, why do I want another one when I already have one? You know what I'm saying? And another thing is these bags. These, I would rather not get this and get a product. It's a waste. I'm gonna get so many of these that I have no idea where to put them. Last time I just gave them all away to my grandma, and I don't know what she did with them, but she took them because I don't have any room. I don't really use makeup bags anyway because I have so much crap. I already have everything put away, and whenever I go to work, all I carry with me is a lipstick or a lip gloss or lip balm, but that's it. So these to me are a waste. I don't need it. Obviously, you guys can tell that I'm kind of upset that these boxes have gotten to shit. It's pointless for me to spend my money on these boxes when they're not even gonna personalize it to what I want it to be. I don't know, I'm just kind of annoyed at the whole thing. And I skipped next month because I still want to give them a chance, but I looked up to see what we were gonna get, like the spoilers for next month, and none of it looks like it's something that I actually want, you know what I mean? So that's kind of upsetting. And yeah, I'm not gonna spend $50 on the ultimate box when it has these deluxe samples and they're like this small. I mean, that is pointless to me. $50? I spent $50 on a BoxyCharm, on the Luxe one, and it has so much more products and better products than these. Like, I don't care that they're more expensive, but they're products that actually work and things that you actually want. It's upsetting. So now that you guys have heard what I have to say, I will be skipping next month. We will see what we get for January. There won't be an Ipsy unboxing for the month of December because I am not doing one, and I am not getting one. I am not purchasing one. I hope that they get their shit together and give us some products because it's alright. I mean, the only thing that I really liked from this whole thing was this one product out of the whole thing. This is $45, which is more than what you pay for the box, but still, the other products, what am I gonna do with them? Just give them away. I can't use them because I don't like them. So what's the point of keeping them? They're just gonna stay there and expire. So to me, it's pointless to purchase another one. So yeah guys, I'm not even gonna try these on today because I'm not putting something on my face that I know already that I don't like. That is that. I hope that you guys got some feedback off of me from this box this month, and if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it or not I'll still leave the link down below of the products if you guys want to see what they are, and if you like them, if it's your kind of thing, then I'll definitely leave everything down below. Yeah, and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on my next one. Toodles. Just disappointed in the whole thing. And then next month they're sending out Morphe products.
Who is?
Ipsy.
Morphe.
Yeah, there's this stuff in here is supposed to be worth more than $120.
Yeah.
Morphe is like a palette. It's like that highlighter palettes that they're sending. Those things are like $12.